Yes, fishing a place like the Hoop Nature Reserve is a privilege. It's not just all fun and games. It's not about the bragging rights. It's not about the amount of fish you caught. Not is it only about 10 anglers that share a passion for fishing, but 10 anglers that share the same views and ethics. This is 4 days of hard dedication, where scientists and anglers come together, all in the name of research. Fish populations are depleting. The honest truth is that we, the recreational angler, have a far greater impact than we could ever imagine. Why does a marine protected area like the Hoop have far more fish than any other place? I will tell you why. It is because humans were removed and fish could flourish once again. It is our responsibility as humans to restore the damage that we have done. So good morning guys, today we're fishing the Hoop Nature Reserve. We're here on a tagging project for the whole week. It is the MPA in the Overberg, and for the guys that doesn't know, MPA is a marine protected area. So AJ and I were invited to be the shark boys for the week. So we're catching and tagging sharks, and we're taking all the data, like taking the measurements, the sex of the shark, where we caught it, the exact location, and then a couple of different measurements like dorsal to dorsal measurements, total length measurements, and then a PCL measurement, which is your precaudal measurement. So this video is not going to be like my normal video where I take you throughout the whole day and give you the whole experience, because we mainly catching gully sharks and it's all about the fish. There's no time to plan a video and to plan shots and angles and all sorts of things. So we're just basically fishing and filming every now and then. And on occasion we're filming something. So most probably what I'm going to do with this video is just put a little highlights package together, give you a little bit of stats of how many fish we caught, what species did we catch, and show you one or two of the better quality fish. And there might be one or two surprise catches in between as well. Yeah, we are hoping to get one of those unexpected species that we're not actually targeting, because this place is really magnificent. It's I don't know, it's incredible. There's no words to really describe how it is. It's unlike any other place that I've fished in South Africa ever, and the landscape is just, it's amazing. It feels like I'm in a totally different country, but it's really amazing, and it's great to see there's still parts in South Africa that are all being protected like this place is. So it's really chilly this morning, but I think I need to get a bait in the water and catch ourselves a gully shark. This is getting a sword. What the f? What the fuck was that? That was no gully. That was no gully.
Oh man.
I couldn't hold it. I was on my line.
That means it's gonna be a good day.
Guys, I got my ass handed to me now. That was no gully. Might be something like a black ray or maybe a big raggy shark, but it was powerful. And the fight was really short. Anyway, let's get a new bite out.
Hey.
Baie water. Was hy lappie?
Guys, Zraya всі фотографії.
Okay, yeah. 3, 2. One, 150. Dorsal to dorsal. Just come around this side. Tag number 188140. Couple of information that they took from her, and they sent her off with a new tag. And hopefully someone will catch her in the future, and we can get some valuable information from that. You guys might have to bear with me for this video, because I didn't have time to do a lot of planning and filming, as fish was placed number 1 priority, so I might jump around a little bit in this video. We didn't have ideal conditions on the day, and the water was really clean, so we went looking for some fish at the spot we got some gully sharks the previous day. AJ and I managed to catch, tag and release a few more gully sharks, most of them fairly small. I didn't film all of them as I didn't want to bore you guys with gully sharks over and over, and there wasn't really time to do all the filming. But here is some really good fish the Edible guys caught while we were catching some gully sharks. Some really nice galjoen and white steenbras were caught during the trip. Here is Professor Colin Atwood busy tagging a beautiful white steenbras. Notice his tag placement as well as the wet towel that he uses to keep the fish wet and calm. And then here is Craig, aka the pirate, with not so great bauble. Don't worry, he'll feature later with a beautiful fish.
So you know this is a bauble, huh?
Oh,
It's a bauble,
oh,
and it has poisonous spine.
hey,
Yeah, that spine there and those two.
they're poisonous.
Yeah.
Now back to the sharkies. We were still catching some gully sharks, basically on every throw. Then AJ hooked into this really nice elf that latched onto his gully shark bait.
Say toch.
765.
Ja. Four, 3, 4, 5.
Yeah man, 4-5 on the end. This place is simply amazing. Look at this. The tide got too low where we were fishing. We heard of a deep water spot at the end of the area where the guys occasionally hook black mussel crackers, aka punsies. With not the ideal formation on the beach and the chance of hooking into a punsie from shore, AJ and I just had to go and investigate the spot. Where there is a punsie, there must be a gully shark, right? It is just incredible. Words can't describe it. Stunning, stunning place. Really beautiful. Yo. I'm not gonna bore you guys with all the gully sharks that we caught at this place. You can watch this next part of the video and decide for yourself if this place is amazing. Gaan terug, maak op die bijl op. AJ! Yes sir. What a fish, boy! Ja, dis shit. Ja, is 'n mooi vis hoor. Woe! Hou net so, hou net so. Gaan terug, gaan terug, gaan terug. Gaan terug, gaan terug. Maak op die bijl op. AJ!
Yes!
What a fish, boykie! Yes, sir. Guys, I just got a stunning punsie. And we're fishing for sharks. What a bycast. Look at this fish.
Yo,
What a fish.
this is a dream fish for me. I'm shaking. I've got fish fever, fish squat. Yo,
Stunning.
beautiful.
Toto. Vat dit vol klent ook. Maak jy back toe, maak jy back toe.
Het werk wil ik toen niet zeggen.
Yeah.
Strong. Shot. Ek gaan terug gaan. Waar gaan ek terug gaan? En daar is ook terug. Fit in die sting.
It's so big.
Enigste manier is so dan ek
In next week's video, some more beautiful fish feature that we caught over the last few days.
one time Boonsie.
Yes, please.
We are fishing in the pouring rain and it is freezing cold, but the fish are biting.
We just turned it up.
Yeah, it's froze. So cold it froze. And a real special thanks to Samantha Wagstock for assisting us and helping us with the camera. This is Sam.
Hello.
Not to miss out the next week's video, be sure to subscribe and put on your notifications. Thanks for watching, I'll see you guys next week.